Hello everyone! This is a video tutorial for absolute beginners. In this video I'll show you how to make a foundation chain. Begin making a foundation chain with a slip knot. For that, make a loop. Put it on the yarn to form a pretzel. Then insert a hook into the loop under the yarn. Holding both tails of the yarn, pull it through. Pull the knot closer to the hook. This is my first chain. To make a second chain, wrap the longer tail of the yarn over your pointer finger, between middle finger and pointer finger, and hold your shorter tail of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Then move your hook from the left to right under the yarn. Turn your hook down, grab the yarn and pull it through the first chain. This is my second chain. Now just repeat the process again. Move your hook from the left to right. Turn your hook down. Pull the yarn through. Move your thumb and middle finger closer to the hook and continue making chains. When you create a desired number of chains, the foundation chain is ready, and thank you for watching.